don't give them a tough time. So the matter of ethics, I think ethics is something which it's a very good initiative and something which we forget about. When I was practicing law, I got a new case. I would not read the case. I would turn to the last page and see who the lawyer is. I won't say anything more. That would determine a lot of things. And the library that has been provided, I spent many happy hour in the library here, the Birdwood Law Library. Sayyid Abdul Wadood Saab was the secretary of it, and he took care of that. Regarding other matters about things which I will not comment upon because they're matters in the either in the High Court or before the Supreme Court, I would just like to, in conclusion, once again thank you on my behalf and on behalf of my distinguished colleagues, Justice Jamal Khan Mandokhil and Justice Naeem Akhtar, for the love and affection shown by all of you. Thank you.
चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ पाकिस्तान जस्टिस काजी फाइज ईसा कराची में तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे, जो आपने बराह रास्त मुलाहिजा किया।